we thank God kasi hindi ito magiging posible kung hindi dahil kay God. So thank God. At naging maganda po sa tingin ko naman, sobrang ganda ng wedding namin. And we thank our parents, Mommy and Papa. Thank you for all your support. Kasi hindi ito mangyayari kasi parang kami nasa States ni Earl. So sila tatlo lang po ang gumagawa. And thank you so much. We love you. Papa, I won't be, nagtag si Earl sa ating pamilya. Hindi ako mawawala. I'll still be there for you guys. I love you. That I promise. Alright? Of course, our ninongs and ninangs, thank you po. And our friends, especially yung mga taga-Cebu po na dumating pa, sobrang na-touch po ako nung nalaman ko na all the 2018 14 friends of Earl from Cebu. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Pumunta po silang lahat with their own expense. Thank you. And of course, our friends who came all the way from the US. Frank, I love you forever. Ate, of course, umuwi na yata. And Dan and Deb, thank you. Thank you so much. Ninong Joey and Ninong Maracha. Thank you po. And yung mga family ko, sa Gods, thank you. Yung aking extended brothers and sisters, I love you. Yung mga late kong friends, always, thank you. That. And alam niya yata yung iba kong friends dyan, pero yung iba kong friends sa mga kaguruan, thank you so much.
First of all, like Jelly said, hindi siya kasi napakahirap po mag-plan. Lalo kung, like for us, we're not together, we're not here. We're both separate there sa US. And hindi siya talaga madali. Mabuti na lang talaga, dyan si Lord. And may mga tao talaga nandito para sa mga lalo na si Mama and tsaka si Papa. Thank you po talaga. Kung hindi ko dahil sa inyo, mahirap. Siyempre, Mama, support sa lahat. Thank you. Dagdag si Jelly, hindi rin ako mawawala sa dito ako lagi. I wouldn't know where to start. Like, ang dami-dami yung mga taong dapat pasalamatan. And I wanna thank all the relatives on my side and Jelly's side who came to talaga nag-effort to come here. I don't know, yung mga iba kung saan pagaling. Mga relatives ko sa Cebu. Thank you very much for coming. Lola, Titas, because my friends who I've been friends with for 13, 14 years. Hanggang ngayon, loyal pa rin. Thank you. Thank you very much. Mga brothers and sisters in the heart. And friends si Jelly, lahat. Thank you very much. My best friends at work, my family, my second family away from home, Dan, Deborah, Cheech, Marissa, Joey, my partner, and his girlfriend, Beth. Thank you very much. You traveled all the way to come here. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Of course, the Ninongs, the principal sponsors. Thank you very much. Kita Pining, of course, yung gumawa sa mga suot namin ngayon. Di ba? Hazel, thank you. Thank you very much. Palakpakan po natin. Sinisi ko yung wedding planner and coordinator. So, wala siya kanina siguro magulungan. And siguro lahat, Last Guardian, si Richelle, that was very good. It was very great. Give him a round of applause, please. Higuero, sir, thank you very much. Good music tonight. Thanks. Last Guardian. Manila Peter.
And last but not the least, I would like to thank my brother. Kahit wala siyang ginagawa. But I love you. Kanina, pagising ko, hinag niya ako. I don't know why. Siguro mamimiss mo ko. And my relatives also. Thank you for coming and for staying tonight. Thank you so much. my lola, ever, nanay. Thank you. I love you.
May nakalimutan ba?
Meron po.
Yung mga hindi nakapunta.
Okay lang po. Tsaka yung mga titos and tikas ko from Model po, salamat po. Kayo na rin po yung naging pangalawang magulang namin. Salamat po. So, yun po.
I guess, yeah, we'll sum it up to everyone. Kung may nakalimutan mo kami, sorry, but from the bottom of our hearts, Jelly and I, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. This wasn't possible if it wasn't for you guys. Thank you.